Welcome to Rockshark Finecraft Ebikes. Assembly of your new bicycle begins. It may take you about 20 minutes to assemble this bike. It begins by unpacking it from the box. Make sure all the tools and accessories are in package. The required tools for install are a number 4 and number 5 hex or Allen wrench, a cross screwdriver, a number 15 open-end wrench. It would be better if you have a Phillips screwdriver, and vice grips or lineman's pliers. Step 1. Assemble the handlebar. Rotate the stem 180 degrees clockwise. It's very important, or the front wheel might hit your foot when riding. Using the hex Allen wrench, unscrew the bolts on the stem and remove the stem cover. Then place the handlebar on the stem. Meanwhile, put the line to right place. Put the screws into the 4 holes, fasten the screws as the order we shown. Step 2. Assemble the saddle seat. Place the saddle onto the seat on the bike. Adjust the seat height and position for the rider's comfort, and tighten it in place. Put the mountain bike upside down on a level ground, then let's go to the next step. Step 3. Assemble the front wheel. Take apart the axle assembly by unscrewing the nut. Put out the brake protection pad. Put the axle onto the fork. We put the disc and the brake on the same side. Then we take apart the quick release, pass it through the front wheel, then tighten it. Test whether the front wheel is installed firmly or not. Put the mountain bike upside down on a level ground, then let's go to the next step. Step 4. Assemble the pedals. Place the correct pedals marked L or R onto the crank arm, and rotate them using the open-end wrench until tight. For the right pedal, rotate clockwise to tighten. For the left pedal, rotate counterclockwise. Please use number 15 open-end wrench to tighten the pedals, or the pedal may loose when riding. Step 5. Install the reflectors. It's very easy to complete, just pay attention to where they are. And use a screwdriver to tighten to prevent loosening from affecting use. In the following video, we will show you some tips on how to solve problems you may encounter when riding. Of course, if there is any problems, contact us immediately. Our expert skilled will help you solve the problem. Tips: adjust the brake line, too tight or too loose. If you feel your brake is too tight or too loose, you can adjust the length of the brake line. As described in the screen, you can repeat the adjustment several times until it suits you best. You can also use wire cutters to cut off the excess. But after the adjustment, be sure to use the inner hexagon to tighten the screws. Tips: adjust the disc position. If you find friction between the disc and the brake pad during riding, you can adjust the 2 screws to adjust the disc to the center position. But after the adjustment, be sure to use the inner hexagon to tighten the screws. If you meet any other problems, please contact us soon. We welcome you to the Rockshark family of cycles and cycling products, and always remember to ride safely.